Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's vlog I will show you, or I will share how I prepare my celery salad. Celery salad guys, this is simple but delicious. Celery is a very healthy kind of vegetables which is better to eat in raw. Okay, it's good for cooking, but also it's very good in eating salad. We can buy here one piece, only one piece, 50 yen plus tax, 58 yen. Okay. I'm not selling, just only sharing how expensive celery in Japan. And this one, let's slice in easy to chew, easy to eat, something like this, to enjoy the crunchiness and easy to eat. Okay, something like that. That slanting style, to enjoy the crunchiness of the celery. This is very healthy and of course delicious. Even the kids can eat. Hindi siya mapait, not bitter. Okay, let's eat gulay to make our life long lasting. Long lasting ano. So yan guys, easy to chew and also we can enjoy the crunchiness. And I will continue guys para hindi also the leaves guys, do not throw it away. It's also good for our health. Slice it into tiny or small size, easy to eat. Then mix it into one bowl. It's very smells so good. And I used this one lemon. Lemon here is a very expensive too. One piece worth of 108. I will eat this. I will eat this. Sarap. Yummy. Then at this time, let's prepare the seasoning or salad seasoning. I will use plain mayonnaise. And as usual, olive oil, 100% olive oil, 2 tablespoons. It depends upon the volume of your salad. Black pepper and salt to taste. And on this part, I will use lemon mixed to dressing pala, hindi siya sauce, dressing. So this is our dressing guys, a mixture of lemon, mayonnaise, black pepper and salt, and also mayonnaise, olive, lemon, and black pepper and salt. Our original dressing. Then let's put it into our salad directly. And I will use quail egg guys. Okay, celery quail egg salad with original dressing. Very easy guys, and of course delicious. And homemade dressing is the best lemon and olive oil mixture is very good for our health and perfect for any kind of salad. Okay, so this is simple but delicious, and this one is finished. So until here guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our simple celery quail egg salad with my authentic dressing. So ayan, walang kamatis kasi mahal ang kamatis, at hindi rin masyadong mahilig sa kamatis yung aking mga anak na ihalalagay sa salad. Gusto nila kamatis is direct to eat, parang fruit style. So hindi pa ngayon season ng kamatis dahil hindi pa summer. Nagtanim na ako, so want to sawa kami ng kamatis dito sa sa summer. So until here guys, thanks for watching sa aking simple preparation of celery quail egg salad. Till here, bye. Hope you enjoy, and please do share, subscribe, and leave delicious comment. Okay, bye guys, until next vlog.